Hey everyone, today I just want to make a quick walkthrough of how to add inventory via scanning a barcode in the new seller app. So first what I'm going to do right here is add inventory, and then I have a Home Depot barcode I can scan. So I just select that as the type and then scan the barcode. As you can see, it brought in all the information. All I'm going to have to do to add this to inventory is put a bin location in and then a category and then finally a price. So once you do a sort price and reserve, you're good to hit submit, and then it's out of the draft. And then next, we're going to do an ASIN one. So it works just the same. Just select ASIN. As you can see, it was already selected there. Scan the barcode. All the information comes back. And once again, all you need is a bin location, a category, and the pricing, and it's good to go.